We decided to do a hike for Kelly's birthday.
Hello.
And we are going to do the Rainbow Falls Trail. All right, let's get started. 2.7 miles.
2.7 there, 2.7 back.
Yeah, so what, almost 7 miles?
Almost 6.
Oh, 6, because I can't math.
I can't math.
You can see traces here where Gatlinburg burnt. It's been about 3 years ago this time of year. Here's another tree. On all trails, it said this was a heavily trafficked trail.
Marked under moderate.
And from the looks of all the cars, it is heavily trafficked.
It's a straight and back.
The temperature right now is what?
About 52.
Okay, so it's not too cold.
It's not keeping anybody from being here.
No. Smile.
I was just looking at your new snazzy shoes.
Oh, my new shoes, my new hiking shoes. Represent the North Face. Some nice elevation, so if you're looking for a trail with some moderate elevation, this will do you.
So far we've been going all uphill.
But the good thing to that is, eventually we'll go back downhill. I am not breathing hard. I am not breathing hard. It's just a very pretty scenic trail. So far the whole way up here, we've had this creek to our right. What, 50 something degrees?
Yeah.
I'm dying.
Well, it might be a little bit cooler now that we're going farther up in the air.
Okay, so now we're going away from the fall, or creek, not falls. We're going towards the falls. Going away from the creek, so hopefully that means that we're near the falls soon.
Interesting.
Again, just remnants of where this place burnt. And we're going closer to the creek again. We weren't sure if this was a dog or a deer. We could just see its tail out of the corner of our eye. Oh, wow. She's not worried about us. She knows we're not going to hurt her. 49 floors so far. Are we there yet? My legs are burning. Cigarette. No, 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 no. I feel like we're getting close. Could be totally wrong. Still some pretty greenery up here. We just talked to a couple. We've got a ways to go. The GoPro is almost dying because we forgot to bring an extra battery. So I'm gonna save what I can until we get to the falls.
We are at halfway right here.
Oh, so we're halfway?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm gonna conserve the battery.
And we'll have to run down the hill.
Because it'll be dark.
Yeah.
We started way too late. Got stuck in Gatlinburg traffic. How much longer do we have?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay, we can do this, right? All right.
Yep.
That's what we want to hear. Okay, I have switched to my iPhone now because the GoPro died. Even though it said I still had 29%. So stabilization is probably not going to be as good on the iPhone. I'm going really slowly. And it's definitely getting colder back here. This is the first falls, but this is not Rainbow Falls.
Got a river crossing.
Okay. What?
I went across these, you go across there.
You see them?
Yep.
Awesome. False alarm. Oh my gosh. You suck.
Clear the water is amazing.
It is clear. Wow, look at that.
It's right around the corner.
I hope so. Don't you be messing with me. Yeah, I think we've got it.
Yep. Got time to get back.
Yeah. We made it here before it got dark. Wow. Wish the GoPro was still working, but at least I got the iPhone. We'll be testing out the iPhone stabilization. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Definitely worth it.
You did it.
you can help me out. We're going back down now because it's gonna be dark soon, so we're gonna try and make it. Whee! That was fun. Okay.
It'll be done, guaranteed.
Yeah, so
There may be a little bit of dust.
we're gonna book it.
Watch your feet, watch your footing.
Yeah, and my hands are freezing now. I feel like putting my shirt back on, but I know we'll get warm going back down here. So we're doing it at warp speed. Yeah.
I think we can look back on this though.
Yeah, definitely. This trail kicked my behind.
We made it. Good job, guys. Good job. There it is.
I'm pretty sure my friend Gretchen has done this. She is hiking with braids on YouTube. And I can imagine that she did this with ease. But it kicked my behind. We're not avid hikers. We're trying to get into it. We do a trail every once in a while. You know, we're more about the ocean. But we're trying to get more and more into stuff that we do around our own home. We've got all this around us and it doesn't break our budget at all. It costs us gas. And then maybe, you know, going out to eat, which we are about to do as soon as we get down this hill.
You know, in a couple hours.
Oh, I hate to see the stabilization after the GoPro on this. Curses you, GoPro, dying. Okay, so we made it to the end of the trail before it got dark. And I just want to say thank you all for watching and please subscribe to our channel. I think the subscribe button's somewhere in here. I don't know. All right, bye.